welcome back to Mackenzie St. Andrews channel with Bryn. Bryn's over there doing like a poster thing. I have no clue. I think she's doing a poster. So today I'm going to be doing a squishy package because I'm so excited. I came from school today and yeah, and this squishy package was, whoops, sorry guys. This squishy package was around $120, and yeah. And I also got 3 slimes. So that'll be, no, 4 slimes. Sorry about that, guys. So yeah, let's get on with the squishy and slime package video. So first I got this emoji. It looks like a blind bag. I can't really tell what that is. So I'm gonna cut this open with my handy dandy scissors. Let me get this. Okay, so I just cut off the thing and I'm taking it out. Oh, it's a little piggy. So yeah. And it's nice and really nice. It's really squishy. It has some defects, like some, but it's really soft. Oh, do you guys like this palm tree thing that I got? Sorry about the lighting, guys. It's kind of bad. Actually, it's bad. So that was the first squishy. I kind of like it. And then the second squishy I'm going to just go around is this squishy. It's a fox squishy. And it looks like it was like one of those emoji because it looks like an emoji thing. I don't know. So it's licensed, but I don't know what by. It's kind of defected if you look at it a little bit closer. See, has some rips and yeah, so. Sorry about the lighting, guys, again. It's really squishy. Do you guys hear this? It's like kind of sticky too. So, yeah. And now I'm gonna move on to another squishy. Okay. So now I ordered a bow squishy. And this is what I get. I'm really mad. I ordered a whole bow. Look how, guys, it's ripped all over the place. Look at that. But it's pretty squishy. It's also licensed. No clue who or by it's licensed or where it's licensed. Sorry guys, let me fix you. Whoops. So it's kind of squishy. Okay, so the next squishy that I pull out of the squishy package is this. It's like, it looks like a soft and slow squishy. I have no clue. Hold on, guys, I'm gonna be right back. Do something. I just gotta close the door. Because it's my brother's yelling about his video games. So yeah. So it's like a rose gold squishy. And it's starting to rip. And it's also licensed. You can see like the golds, that's the rose golds, was kind of coming off. So yeah. The next squishy is this squishy. I have no clue. Looks like it's made by somebody, but yeah. Pretty soft too. I kind of like it. I mean, it's pretty soft. I like how the sprinkles are on there, and I like how it's pink. Next, I found another donut. And it also looks like it's made by somebody. So yeah, that one's that. The next one that I got was this squishy. It also looks like it's decoed, but not the actual squishy. It's a butt. Looks like its name is Venna. I don't know. I'm guessing it's a vampire, how its lips are. It looks like a pear, though. And it's a defect right there and all that. So, the next is this other one named Venna. Looks like a bat, too. Oh, butt thing again. The pear stem. Just want you guys to be able to see that. So this one's pretty soft. It's kind of sticky. So yeah. Now moving on to the slimes, I'm gonna set my platform down. Sorry about this, guys, but the platform is kind of messy. I'm sorry about that. So the platform's kind of messy over here, as you could tell. Oops, sorry. It's like kind of messy. But yeah, that's the package from before that I got. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the slimes really quickly because my phone's at 20. I have no clue what this one is, but it's really soft, and I'm obsessed with this. It's really nice. The next slime that I got was this one. It's like a pink. It looks like it's called Put Some Sprinkles on It. I have no clue, but I think that's what it's called. It's kind of stretchy. I'm just going to take it out a little because it's not all coming out. So it's actually pretty soft. So yeah. So yeah. By the way, guys, I thought I got 4, but I'm moving on to the third one. I love making slime. This one's also like really stretchy. And I'm happy that all of these are like in containers. This one, I have no clue which one this is. So this is the 4th. I think this is the last one. But yeah, nice. Thank you for that. Then she gave me an extra. It's neon colors. Let's open it up. There's nothing inside. Great. Then she also gave me this one. I'm guessing this one's an extra, but I don't know. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching this. This was a skit. All of these squishies are mine and hers. And all these slimes are mine and Bryn's. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!